Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Number Systems 2, and Equations 3, Numbers and Quantities 2C, Terminating and Repeating Decimals. And we're talking about numbers that are rational. And rational numbers are all whole numbers. They are also all fractions and some decimals. And let's pay attention to the decimals. So any decimal that ends or repeat is a rational number. So rational numbers they are all whole numbers, positive and negative, all fractions, positive and negative, and some decimals, positive and negative, as long as they end or repeat. And terminating means end or repeat. So let's say we have 7/10. So we have 7/10, and we can rewrite that as stop, drop, divide, you get 0.7. So this here is a terminating decimal because it ends. It is 0.7 or 7/10. If we have something like, let's say 74 over 100, we can turn that into a decimal. And so as a fraction, it certainly is a rational number. And if we turn that into 74 hundredths, that ends, so that is terminating, so that's a rational number as well. But if we have something as in 7/20, we can stop, drop, divide that again, and we're going to get 20 goes into 7, it doesn't. Does it go into 70? Yes, 3, so it goes into 60 times 10, so it's 35 hundredths. That ends or terminates, so therefore this is rational as well. Let's say we have a mixed number, 5 3/4. Well, 5 is a whole number. That's a rational number. So we're going to stop, drop, divide here, and that is 75. So 5.75, that ends, that terminates, so that's rational. Let's say our most famous rational number of all is pi, 3.14, ... That never ends. It doesn't repeat. So therefore, the pi is not rational. So this one here is not rational because it doesn't end, the decimal doesn't end, and it doesn't repeat. Let's do 3/8. Let's do 3/8. Stop, drop, divide, and 8 goes into 30 3 times, so you get 24, and you're left with 6, and so it goes 7, so 56, and 4 would be 5. So this 3/8 is 0.375. That ends, so both these are rational numbers or decimals. What about 1/40? That would end too, and 7/9. Stop, drop, divide. This would go in, 7 goes into that 7 times, so it's 63. Subtract, you get it. So it's going to be 7/7. Because that repeats, therefore, that is rational too. So 7/9 is a rational number also, a rational fraction. And as a decimal, it is rational also because it repeats. But if something doesn't repeat and doesn't end, as in the famous pi, it is not rational. So you need to know what is rational and what is not rational. Thank you.